Is an accounting degree worth it? Accountants and auditors are always in high demand, and getting an accounting degree is no cakewalk, easy or effortless to achieve. The question is an accounting degree the right career for you? First of all, earning a degree requires an investment of time, money, and effort. As with most Bachelor's of Science degrees, the accounting degree takes 4 years and 120 credit hours. The curriculum usually begins with general education, next are core classes, and then you would have specialized accounting classes. So, the field requires you to be very good with numbers and mathematics. But the salary is great, and employment of accountants is projected to grow 7% from 2020 to 2030. In this video, you will learn the advantages and disadvantages of pursuing an accounting degree and determine if it's worth it or not. Before we proceed, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to signal the algorithm to increase our viewers and help us establish our presence on YouTube.
This video is partially sponsored by DelvixGarden.com, your source for high-quality food supplements and personal care products at low prices. This company has a range of premium products for your health, beauty, and personal care, including organic pine pollen, ceremonial-grade matcha, medicinal herbs, hair dye shampoo, and plant-based protein for weight loss. There are links in the description. Kindly visit their store and use the coupon code FIRST20% to get 20% discount on your first order.
Here are the cons. Number 1, continuous learning process. In many professions, you acquire a degree, learn the necessary skill, and then just practice and earn. You don't have to study harder to get a better pay package or promotion. But in the accounting field, education is an ongoing process. It is common for accountants and auditors to study further to keep up with the latest trends and do additional courses to obtain and maintain certain specific certifications. Number 2, very stressful. Accountants have some really stressful days. The stress increases during year closing months when they are required to complete the tax formalities for the companies they work for. The work itself is of a stressful nature as you need to keep track of the finances for a business. At times, too many figures, numbers, debits, and credits can collectively take a toll on your mental health. Number 3, annual busy season. Every country's government tax audits and files need to be completed and filed within a specific time. For an accountant, a certain busy season every year is filled with stress and impending deadlines. During this busy season, an accountant may have to work night and day to get their clients' finances in order. Number 4, tedious and monotonous work. There is not much variety in work for an accountant. Sometimes the work can get extremely dull and boring. It is also of a repetitive nature. If you are going to pursue an accounting degree, make sure you are a person that dots all I's and crosses all T's. Number 5, fierce competition. It is tough to land an accounting or auditing job today with a good pay package as the competition is really fierce. There are many good accountants seeking good jobs today, and you have to really excel in this field to be successful. Here are the pros. Number 1, income stability. Once you are an accountant or an auditor, you can count on a stable income. Your life is kind of secure in terms of finances, and if you want to continue to work hard and study further, there is only growth. This is a job where the demands will only increase with time. Number 2, potential for growth. There's ample potential for growth in this profession. You may get your first job as entry level, but you can easily move up the career ladder with experience, exposure, and hard work. You can also get additional certifications such as Certified Public Accountant, CPA, that will give momentum to your growth. Number 3, high salaries. As you study further in this profession, there's plenty of scope to earn more. The salaries largely depend on the region you are working in and the size of the company that employs you. In the U.S., the national average annual salary of an accountant is approximately $59,204, with the highest pay more than $70,000. The average pay is around 28,875 euros in the UK. Number 4, highly in-demand occupation. Accountants can never fall short of work. Regardless of the type of firm, every company needs an accountant. In just 1 year, one can easily grow from an entry-level accountant to a head-level auditor in the big company and make a comfortable living. According to the statistics presented by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the job growth for accountants would shoot up by 11.2% by 2029. Number 5, chance to travel. Accountants can choose to travel to different offices and cities for the same company or keep changing the cities they work in if they love to travel. Many big companies that have offices in different locations are ready to send their accountants to different cities every few months to keep up with the accounting work. Number 6, clear job path. Many students who study science still are unclear about which line they would choose later on. There are many options available for them and hence greater the confusion. The accounting degree has a very clear job path. There are a few options to choose from. If you are someone who is very good with numbers and mathematics, perhaps this field is perfect for you. Number 7, entrepreneurial potential. It is very likely for accountants to start their own business after a few years. A pilot is not likely to start with their own plane, but for an accountant, this switch and growth in profession is quite possible and easy. Number 8, great network. Most accountants develop a strong network of important friends and contacts. They deal with big companies and tackle their finances. In this process, they find many big investors, businessmen, and entrepreneurs befriending them and sometimes relying on them. This helps them to develop a strong and great network for their own benefits. Number 9, great bridging program. There are many options to choose a different profession, even in accounting. For example, if you are an accountant and want to later shift to study law, this can be easily completed. You can easily apply for a higher degree in law school after getting a major in accounting. Number 10, job satisfaction. This is one profession that, although it requires some hard work initially, it gives you great satisfaction later on. If you love numbers and love your work, you can easily earn a good living and get into entrepreneurial aspects later. Apart from an annual busy season, the job is pretty much 9 to 5, and after a few years, you can even choose to work your own preferred hours. Number 11, help with your own business. An accounting degree can help you with the accounts of your own business if you plan to get into business later in life. This degree may save you from hiring an accountant and paying extra. An accounting degree is always worth it in any field of business. Thank you for staying with us until the end. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so yet. Remember to press the bell icon to receive new notifications as well as like and share the video.